Hi, I'm Steve, TT120. This video we're going to be putting together a nice little school, painting it, and we'll see how we get on. Okay, I'm now running it at 12 volts, and I'm going to slowly turn the voltage down to about 9. Then we drop down a little bit more, about 8 volts, and then the lights start dimming out down. Hi, hope you enjoyed that. Sorry, I forgot to press the record button. Meanwhile, I've painted it all, it's all on position now. I've got a few more extra bits and pieces, which will be on the 7th and the 8th. And there's a little clip here for the next video. It's about a loading rack. So keep tuned, we'll see you there.